my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Today, I am doing another cookie collaboration with my good friend Kiwanna over at Kiwanna's Kitchen. I have no idea what kind of cookie she's making, but it's going to be amazing and delicious. I'll post a link to her channel and to her cookie recipe down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'm going to make lemon ricotta cookies. OMG, these are so heavenly, bursting with lemon goodness, thebomb.com, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And we're going to put a lemon glaze on. I mean, these are so fluffy and tender and just melt in your mouth when you bite into it. So grab your ricotta cheese, your lemons, and your flour sugar, because we're about to bake some lemon ricotta cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have one stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter that I got to room temperature. And we're going to add in 2 cups of white sugar. And we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them one at a time. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and the star of the show, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, the zest of a large lemon, and 1 15-ounce carton of whole milk ricotta cheese that I let come to room temperature. And make sure you use whole milk ricotta, it gives it lots of flavor. And again, we're going to cream this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, for the final ingredients, we're going to slowly add in 2.5 cups of self-rising flour plus a half a teaspoon of baking soda that's sifted. Blend it until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our cookie dough is ready. Look how nice and smooth that looks. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to scoop the cookie dough into my 9x13-inch long cookie sheet that I lined with foil, or you can use parchment paper. And using my spoon, we're going to scoop the dough to about 2 tablespoons. Just like that. Alright my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in a preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake until the edges is nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown that they look around the edges? And it smells awesome. Lemony goodness. Alright, so now we're going to let the cookies rest for about 20 minutes. And while they're resting, we can get started on a luscious lemon glaze that we're going to put on top. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar that I sifted. And we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and the zest of a large lemon. Alright my friends, our lemon glaze is finished. Alright, that looks great. Now it's time to give our cookies some sugar. Just drizzle that glaze right on top. Yum, oh. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish glazing my cookies and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Lemon ricotta cookies. The glaze is nice and hardened. Ooh, that looks so delicious. And my mouth's watering. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I'm about to dig in. And I got me a glass of milk to go along with it. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and soft like a pillow. That is incredible, my friends. It's so moist, full of lemon flavors. These are the best cookies I ever had. I love that lemon glaze on it too. My friends, y'all will love these cookies. See how nice and soft that is? This deserves another bite. Lemony-licious. Wow, Kiwanna, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. I had a blast. And again, I'll post a link to her channel and to her cookie recipe down below in the description box. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays.